Okay, my dear students, before class we have discussed about the homogeneous differential equations, exercise 9.5 up to 10 problems. Now today we are going to the next problems. Okay, what is the going on? X plus y dy plus x minus y dx is equal to 0 when the condition is given. Condition is given means already I explained the variable separable method. Compulsory we will find the constant 100%. Okay, see. Now what is the going on the question? X plus y into dy plus x minus y into dx is equal to 0, my dear students. Okay. Now here x plus y into dy, given x plus y into dy plus that side, what happened? Minus of x minus y means y minus x into dx. Okay, my dear students. Now here dy by dx is equal to y minus x by y plus x or x plus y, no problem at all. Okay, now let y is equal to vx. This is equation number 1. That implies v is equal to y by x. One differentiate here, this one. Okay, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now substitute in 1. v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y means vx minus x by v. Okay, vx plus x, y means vx plus x, no problem. Okay, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, taken common, x v minus 1 by v plus 1 plus v that side, x into dv by dx is equal to v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus v. Okay, my dear student, I hope that you understood. Now what happened this one? X into dv by dx is equal to, LCM is v plus 1, v minus 1 minus v square minus v. Okay, my dear student, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, here plus v minus v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to minus 1 minus taken common, 1 plus v square by v plus 1. Okay, now 1 plus v square by v plus 1, this side v plus 1 by v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus dx by x. Integration on both sides, integral separation, v by v square plus 1 dv plus 1 by v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, my dear students. Now this derivative means v square derivative 2e, f dash of x by f of x formula. Okay, now v square to 2 means 1 by 2 is missing, that is equal. Now we are going to here, I am writing here, my dear friends, 1 by 2 into, why I am writing 1 by 2 here, 2 multiplying the 2 divided with the 2, 2v by v square plus 1, that is log of 1 plus v square plus tan inverse of this is y by x, that equal minus log mod x plus c. Okay, my dear students. Now what is going on? Now totally multiplying the 2, what happened? Log of 1 plus v square, here 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there means 2 tan inverse of y by x plus 2 log mod x is equal to c, that is 2c, no problem. C means other arbitrary constant, a whatever may be. Here observe this one into this one, log a plus 2 means log x square, log a plus log b means log 1 plus v square into x square is equal to plus 2 tan inverse of y by x is equal to something constant, 2c means you will take the constant a. Now log of 1 plus, this is y square by x square, y square by x square into x square plus 2 tan inverse of y by x is equal to a. Okay, now what happened, my dear students? This one here, LCM x square cancel. Okay, log of x square plus y square by x square cancel plus 2 tan inverse of y by x is equal 100% a. Now you substitute the condition, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Substitute 1 plus 1 means this is log 2 plus 2 tan y by 1 means tan inverse of 1, 2 into pi by 4 is equal to a. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancelled. What is the value of a? A is equal to log 2 plus pi by 2. Now substitute here equation number 2. Now the required solution is log of x square plus y square plus 2 tan inverse of y by x is equal to a. A means log 2 plus pi by 2. This is the final answer. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next question. X square dy plus xy plus y square into dx is equal to 0 when y is equal to 1 when x is equal to. Condition was given means compulsory we will find the solution. After that we will find the value of c, my dear students. Now we are going to what is given, x square dy plus that side minus of xy plus y square into dx. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now dy by dx is equal to minus of xy plus y square by x square. Each and every term have equal powers. Okay. Now what happened this one? Now let y is equal to vx. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. This is substituting 1. What happened, my dear students? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus x into y. Y means vx square plus y square v square x square by x square. Now v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, taken common, x square minus of minus v square. Okay, my dear students, I hope that understood or not. X square taken common, x square minus of is there. Okay, plus v that side, x into dv by dx is equal to plus v that side minus v. Already minus v is there, means minus v square minus 2v. Taken common in that place, x into dv by dx is equal to minus taken common v square plus 2v. Okay, now dv by v square plus 2v is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, my dear students, now integrating on both sides, dv by what happened this one, v taken common first of all, v square plus 2v means v taken common v plus 2. Okay, my dear students, that equal to minus dx by x. Now partial fractions of 1 by v here, 1 by v into v plus 2. Already I explained this one. First write the v. Whenever it is 0, whenever it is v 0, critical point means v is equal to 0, substitute other than v plus 2 means this is 1 by 2. Okay, plus here v plus 2 is there. Okay, my dear students, v equal minus 2, substitute v equal minus 2 means that is minus 1 by 2. Now overall taken common 1 by 2, 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2. This is the partial fraction of this one. Okay, my dear students, 1 by 2 taken outside, here how to write, 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2 dv. This is equal to minus log x plus log c. What happened, my dear students? 1 by 2 into log v minus log mod v minus log of v plus 2 is equal, this is log c by x, 100%. Okay, hello. Okay, 1 by 2 into continuation, 1 by 2 into this is log a minus log b means log v by v plus 2. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to log c by x. Now multiply, this is 2 that side, logarithm of v by v plus 2 is equal to 2 log c by x means log of c square by x square. Okay, no doubt. Okay, both side logarithm cancel. V by v plus 2 is equal to c square by x square. Now c square is taken as constant. Okay, both side logarithm 100% cancel. Okay, now v means y by x, here v means y by x plus 2 is equal to c square. C square means you will take the constant, another constant, let c square is equal to a by x square. Okay, my dear friends, here LCM cancel. Y by y plus 2x, y plus 2x, x cancel is equal to a by x square. Now here a value, x square y by y plus 2x is equal to a, my dear friends. This is actually general solution. Now we find the value of a when what is given clearly is given when x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1. Substitute 1 by 3. Clearly a is equal x1 y1, 1 by 1 plus 2 means this is 3, a value is equal to 1 by 3. Now substitute, the general solution is x square y by y plus 2x is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication, 3x square y is equal to y plus 2x. This is the solution for the given differential equation, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem, that is x sine square of y by x minus y into dx plus x dy. Okay, now here x dy is equal to, substitute x dy equal to, actually this total is plus term, that is minus, we will take a common minus here, that is how to write this one, y minus. Okay, here actually a minus b, that side is minus of a minus b means b minus a. Okay, a reverse in term is equal to that side, just reverse, x sine square of y by x. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to dx. Now what happened from this one, dy by dx is equal to y minus x sine square of y by x by x. Now separation is going on. For suppose dy by dx is equal to y by x minus x cancel, sine square of y by x. This is equation number 1. Let y is equal to vx, that implies x v is equal to y by x. Now here dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute in 1. What happened, my dear students? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x means v minus sine square v. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. This here v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to minus sine square v. Sine square v this side minus cosecant square v. Sine square means 1 by sine square means this side. Minus cosecant square v dv is equal to dx by x. Okay. Now integration on both sides. Integral of cosecant square v means minus cot v. Integral of cosecant square v means minus cot v. Minus cot v. Okay, my dear students, cot v. Already minus is there. Already minus is there. Okay, that is cot v. Cot v cot v is equal to log x, log mod x plus c. No problem at all. Okay, c. Now what the condition is going on, where x is equal to 1, y is next step 1 cot of this one, y by x is equal to log x plus c. Okay, my dear students, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 45 degrees, pi by 4. Substitute, cot 45 means 1 is equal to log 1 0 plus c. Now c value is equal to 1. Now the solution is cot of y by x minus log x is equal to c. C value is equal to 1. Okay, c is equal to 100%. How much is there c? 100% 1. Okay, minus log x plus 1 is equal to log ex. No problem, that is the right answer. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the question number 14. Now here dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cosecant of y by x. Okay, here y by x means 100%. Let y is equal to vx, from this one v is equal to y by x. What happened, this one dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. This is substitute in equation number 1. Okay, my dear students, what happened, this is dy by dx means substitute means v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x means v minus cosecant of v. Okay, v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to minus cosecant of v. Minus cosecant of this side, minus sin v. Minus sin v dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, my dear students. Integration on both sides. Minus sin v dv is equal integral of dx by x. Okay, now integral of sin v means minus cos v. Now cos v is equal to log mod x plus c. Okay, v means y by x. Cos of y by x is equal to log mod x plus c. Now substitute y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Now cos 0, here cos 0 is equal to log 1 plus c. Cos 0 means 1 is equal to log 1 means 0 plus c. Now c value is equal to 1. Now the required solution is cos of y by x is equal to log mod x plus c. C value is 1. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem, question number 15. What is going on here? 2xy plus y square is equal to 2x square into d. This is 100% homogeneous, my dear students. X into y 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now from this one dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square by 2x square. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now let y is equal to vx. From this one v is equal to y by x. Okay, my dear students. Now dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute in equation number 1. Substitute in 1. What happened, my dear students? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to 2xy. Okay, 2x square v. Y means vx. V square x square by 2x square. Now x square taken common, cancel. V plus x into dv by dx. Now what is the cancel is going on? 2v plus v square by 2. Now x into dv by dx is equal to 2v plus v square by 2 minus v. Now x into dv by dx is equal to 2v plus v square minus 2v by 2. Plus 2v minus 2v cancel. Here v square by 2 is there. Okay, my dear students. Now v square by 2 means 1 by 2 in that place. V square means this side, or x into dv by dx is equal to v square by 2. Now v square this side, dv by v square is equal to here 1 by 2 into dx by x. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Otherwise 2 this side, no problem. 2 into integral of dv by v square is equal to integral of dx by x. Okay, my dear students. 2 into integral of 1 by v square means minus 1 by v is equal to log x plus c. Okay. What happened? Next continuation, minus 2 by v is equal to log x plus c. What is the v value? V value y by x. 1 by means x. Minus 2x by y is equal to log x plus c. Now what is the condition is given when y is equal to, okay, my dear students, minus 2x by y equal to log x plus c. What is the condition is given means when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. Okay, substitute here values. Minus 2 by 2 is equal to log 1 plus c. Okay, minus 1 is equal to 0 plus c. Therefore c value is equal to how much? C value is equal to 100% minus 1. Now substituting, this is the solution. Okay, substituting 2. What happened, my dear students? Minus 2x by y is equal to log x minus 1. Okay, both sides multiplied with minus, here y is equal to whatever, no problem. This is the solution for given differential equation. Okay. Welcome, my dear students. Observe that the objective type questions say homogeneous equation of the form dy by dx is equal to h of x. Here observe that h of x by y, the function in terms of x by y. We cannot change the x by y. That means 100% what the substitution going on? X is equal to v, x by y means 100% x is equal to vy. This is the answer, my dear students. Option C is the correct option. Okay. Thank you, one and all. Tomorrow I will explain the last method, that is the linear differential equation. Okay. Thank you, one and all.